here's you can dropship Amazon products on TikTok Shop with review video. So dropshipping Amazon products on TikTok Shop is very easy. So you just need some review videos, and you can get review videos and promote those videos on TikTok Shop. So it's basically a simple trick that I'm gonna show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure that you have an official Amazon seller account, and as I'll know that in my country it doesn't support a seller account, but it's mostly available in the countries. But when you get it, you just go to TikTok's shop seller and sign in. As you can see, I don't have it in my country, but once you make it, it's just a TikTok's theme, and it will just show a seller merchant. But you have to find up your niche. So whatever you're selling, that you must find the product with its high reviews. So you need something with high reviews. Let's go for deal in PCs and check something that has high reviews. So there are a lot of stuff, just like phones and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go for a product, and guys, there are many more other websites that but like in this video I'm choosing Amazon because Amazon is the most reliable, and it got like a most reviews and stuff like that, and it has a lot of products. So let's go for monitors. So as you can see, this monitor has at least 10,000 reviews. Like some of them have got like less, but like to 4K, and like they pretty much have a lot of reviews. So let's just go for the best one, and this one's like I'm having like almost 11K reviews. And let's check if it got any video. And yes, it has its videos, but it's not official video, it's just from customers. But as you can see, they're selling, and it has its own reviews. So what you have to do is first of all, just go ahead and you can just get its video manually. And as you can see, but we need something professional and high quality. But if you can like find any like high quality videos that you can see, this video isn't like that high quality. So what you have to do is there are two websites that I can show you that will help you get the products to add video. So the first one is app packages. As you can see, its name is viral ecom ads, and as you can see, it offers ads, and you pretty much can make any ad and as you can see, it has Snapchat split testing package, split testing vertical. So I would say if you got a little bit of money, I would say spend it here. And as you can see, it got video ad package, and for like 10 video ads, if you like if you want like 10 video ads, you would get you just need to pay $250. And if you want add 10 thumbnails and 10 images, it will cost extra. And if you want them for story, it will extra $100. So yeah, if you like a little bit of money, you could just go for this. And as you can see, it has these type of high quality videos that would make your ad look 8,000 better. As you can see, it's pretty good. So yeah, going here will be helpful. But the second one is a bad of ads, and these are the official two websites that actually offer these type of stuff. But once you got this, you can just go and get started and just get your ads from it. So we're just gonna verify, and it's just gonna ask for a sign in. So you can either sign it up and make your ads, and as you can see, it makes a high quality ad videos too. As you can see, it will provide you everything with video, with everything. So I would suggest going for this. But if you don't got any money and you want to make something out of it, so I would suggest going for just get a video. Let's just go for something that has a video. It's an official video. Let's just find something, and I'm gonna show you. So let's say this is the video, right? This is the video that you got, and you want to download it. So how do you download it? You first of all, you got Z-Drop, something that you could download videos for. Like you just type in Z-Drop, and you can pretty much download any type of video. This one, and you could just, as you can see, the Z-Drop comment station will copy all details and will paste it on your Facebook Marketplace, and it can download videos and it could do a lot of stuff. So yeah, I would suggest going for Z-Drop if you're really into investing stuff. So first of all, invest that. So, but if you don't have a Z-Drop, you can just manually download the video by just copying its link. But yeah,
what's going on?
A video that has. It's gonna download a random review video, and it's gonna show you how you can use it. So let's just go to YouTube. So let's say you got Z-Drop and you downloaded something, but here I'm gonna show you. Just gonna go for just gonna pick up a random video, just like I don't know, what should I pick? Let's just pick a. I'm just gonna pick a. No copyright video. I'm just gonna show you how you can convert it into a proper app video. So let's just pick something random. Let's just say this one, because this is obviously no copyright. Copy it. So you can, once you've downloaded the ad or you got those ads, from here you get the ads automatically. You don't need to edit or do any stuff. But let's just load up Premiere Pro, and you can download any video from, say, from net.com. So just paste the video link that you copied earlier and press download. There we go. Now we're just gonna go ahead and download this. It's downloading. So once the video is downloaded, and you just go to your Premiere Pro, and we're gonna name it and create. So yeah, you go over here, you go to your downloads and do this. And here, now how do you turn this into exactly the ad thing? So you click on this, and you go to sequence settings, and as you can see, it's you just change this to 1080 and 1920, or I might be wrong. Yeah, as you can see, it's turned into this. You just need to do this, and your ad video will be ready. As you can see, it's just that TikTok type of thing that shows up on TikTok. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's basically on how you can dropship Amazon products to TikTok Shop with a review video. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.